So, okay, what are these bananas?
Jocelyn gave us those bananas.
Okay, so that's like our farewell gift from the island. Okay.
And that's probably 140 bananas.
That's a lot of bananas. Right, so...
And we have to eat them.
Yeah. There goes my diet. Alright, so we're going to Poluwat, which is how far away?
About 3 days, 3 to 4 days.
That's, alright, yeah. That's
I don't know
approximate.
how many miles.
Yeah, let's say 300 miles.
Okay.
Alright, so let's start the engine and pull the anchor. So you did steering us through the pass. How's it going?
I'm concentrating.
Yeah, she's concentrated. Because there's coral a little bit over there, coral right there, and you did stressed out right there. And we're almost out of Lukunor Atoll. Good day sailing?
Perfect day for sailing. Morning.
Good morning. How was your watch last night?
Good.
Good.
Slept outside.
Yeah. How many more miles till Poluwat?
Only 32 more miles.
Nice.
How was your watch yesterday night?
Slept right through it.
Did you see the fish already?
I haven't seen it yet. 5 miles from the Puluwat entrance, we ended up hooking a fish that I've never seen before, and Judith has never seen before. It ended up being the best tasting fish we've ever eaten, but if you guys know what this is, just write it in the comments because we had no idea what kind of fish it was.
Hold on. Wait, we don't need to hook.
Get him hooking.
Hook it?
Yeah. Tell him to put his tongue back in. It was quite stressful entering Poluwat as the pass was quite narrow and shallow.
We're right at Pub Coral. So Andy, what do you think about the last passage, the last couple of days?
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
And about what about coming into that pass?
It was a little tight.
It was, right?
It was a little tight. And it was shallow.
Yeah.
I think it was like 10 feet.
Yeah, you could see the coral down there.
Yeah. But what do you think about the island where we're at?
Beautiful.
Right?
Right.
After you anchor, it's always customary to meet with the chief and present him with gifts. So, where are we going?
We're going to the chief.
What are we going to do to the chief?
We give him some cookies
Cookies
and banana bread.
that you made.
Yes, I improvised.
Let's hope he likes it. This was the chief's house and family. The chief welcomed us to the island. However, during our conversation, we found that the island was in need of many things that we could help them with. So where are we going today?
Again, to the chief.
To do what?
To fix this boat.
How are we going to fix this boat?
I don't know, that's good.
That's my job. So we got some epoxy resin that we're going to use to fix a hole in his fiberglass boat, hopefully. What else are we giving today?
I don't know. Do they have the coconut crab today, you think? No.
Maybe. But what else are we going to give them?
Oh, the movies!
Right. So we got like 8 movies that we're going to give them. They don't have electricity, but somehow they have a village laptop that can play movies. So what would you tell all the people that are going to eventually come to these outer islands to bring?
Bring useful stuff.
Useful stuff. Yeah. So yeah, anything you can do to repair boats or tools or...
And always bring your sail. If you have a spare sail, they're keen on getting spare sails.
Right. So they build their own canoes, and they use our old sails to, I guess, refit with their canoes so that they can sail between the other islands. That it?
I think so.
Okay. We ended up repairing 3 of the boats on the island, and in return, the chief's family took us diving on a plane crash in the lagoon and also caught us lunch with the spear gun. We soon found that we weren't alone while snorkeling, but luckily for us, this shark was harmless. So here's the octopus that they caught today, and we got our fish and some banana salad, and we're gonna be feeding them all lunch today. Okay, what are we eating? The boys thoroughly enjoyed the lunch we had prepared for them, but normally on the island, it was the locals who were always feeding us. Some fried fish.
The breadfruit?
No, you try the fishes.
Can you eat the whole fish?
No. You peel it off. Yeah. You don't eat the bone. Oh, don't waste it. Come on.
Did you add water to the coconut? Yeah. And then you... Mm-hmm. Whoa, slowly.
What did you think about those people?
They're nice.
They're really nice, right?
Yeah, what did you think about those people? So you smelled the donuts?
I smelled the donuts and I came rowing ashore. Oceanfront property, right?
Yeah. Perfect. And what are we gonna do now?
We're going to find a shipwreck.
Yippee! That's Cascadia in the sunset.
Sunset?
Yeah. What do you think about that sunset?
Nice. So we were walking on broken coral for like 2 hours because we were out to find this lighthouse that you want to see.
You want to see
I don't
it
want to
too.
see it anymore.
Sure.
And so we got.
Look at those cuties. But
Yep.
I think yours are way more.
And then I got like this little kid one, and then some old lady loafer.
Nah, that's a food.
So yeah, we just. I was pretty lucky. We're on the island of Los Sandals, so. Here was a party we were invited to celebrate the arrival of Chuk's Congress. It was really fun until...
I don't want to talk about it.
We need to talk about it.
I don't even want to talk
Okay,
about
so
it.
there's Poluwat, and we're leaving a day early. Why are we leaving a day early?
It's fresh.
Okay, alright. So basically what happened was... Oh, you want to... Yeah. So basically what happened was we were at the party and we were approached by a guy that was just giving a really weird vibe, right? Yeah. The wind noise was really bad in the rest of this clip, so I'll just fill you in on what happened at the party. We were approached by a guy that we've never met, and this gentleman was telling us that we had an unpaid anchorage fee and that we were going to need to pay that day. This was day 3. We've already been there for 3 days, and we've never seen this guy before. Even people at the party was unsure what was going on and told us that we shouldn't be paying whatever fee he was asking for. So we were trying to find the chief so he could get this settled, but we were unable to find him at the party, and it was starting to become really uncomfortable. So rather than cause any sort of situation, we decided to pull anchor and head to the next island. To everyone that thinks that we're just like sailing in a tropical paradise and like sipping on coconuts on white sandy beaches, what would you tell them is the actual truth?
What?
I guess.
Wait, what do you want to hear now? The truth is that it's hot and you're sweaty all the time and sticky, and
Yeah.
sailing is not fun if you don't have a band like Andy over his head. And you just want to jump into the water.
Right. And do you think it's like super easy and that like everybody would love it, or do you think that it's actually like...
I think a lot of people would love it if they have the patience for it,
Yeah.
and if they have it fun.
Yeah.
But it is challenging.
Okay. Are you hot?
Not gonna be in the video.
Are you too hot to be in the video? Don't you love sailing in the tropics though?
It's awesome.
You're fibbing. So,
You don't need to.
no. Show everybody how it is living on a sailboat. How you take a shower.
That's the shower.
Oh, nice. So we're anchored in Lamotrek. You did. How do you like it?
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you like about it?
Well, so far we didn't see too much, but I think the people are really nice,
Yeah.
and I think there's a lot more tradition going on than we saw.
Right. Judith was right about the island being more traditional than Poluwat. After rowing ashore and meeting the chief, it was readily apparent that this outer island of Yap was still practicing many of the same traditions it has done for centuries now. Judith, what are you eating?
Breadfruit. Cooked in coconut.
You like it? So you need to moang, which means to eat, right? Okay. Moang. It was time to leave Lamotrek, but before we did, we had to collect the mail of all the villagers who wished to send letters to their family members living on Wolai Atoll. The next island we would be visiting lying approximately 150 miles to the west.
Go to the high school.
Is it who is Peter?
That's my son.
Your son. Okay. And he goes to the high school?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's a sophomore now.
Okay, so we're getting ready to leave Lamotrek. How did you like your time here?
Was alright, but it was not the best. I think after Puluwat, Lamotrek was just... No, Puluwat was too good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I agree with you.
Lamotrek, we had too high expectations of Lamotrek, I think.
And this island is super small. Yeah, but what do you think of all the boobies?
Well, they were...
I mean, I thought that was a highlight, but...
was not that the most exciting thing on the island.
I mean, I thought it was, but...
Okay,
let's go.